Welcome back to another episode of Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today we're taking a look at Beautiful Brunches, one of the newest cookbooks to come into our library. We're making the cheesy grits recipe from the book this morning, so let's get started. For cheesy grits, we will need 2 cups of whole milk, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of grits, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. To begin our grits, we're going to preheat the broiler on high, and we're going to boil our milk and our water. Okay, once that's good and boiling, we're going to add in our grits. And we're going to cook until those grits are thickened up and tender. It might vary depending on which brand of grit you're using, anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. Turn that heat down. Once these are cooked through, we're going to add in our salt and our pepper. Stir that around. And we're going to add in about half of this cheese, so about a cup of cheese. And stir that in there. Okay, we're going to pour these into an oiled square baking dish. And then we're just going to top this with the rest of our cheese and pop it under that broiler for about 3 minutes or until our cheese has melted and is starting to brown. Once your cheese is all melted and bubbly, it's time to take it out. That looks delicious. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book, and we'll see you next time.